Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll talk about few of the scam video which is spreading throughout the internet website. It could be a YouTube channel, it could be any other social platform. So in order to make sure you should be alert, you should not give any money and you should not be overexcited after watching that scam video. So that is the purpose of this video. Of course, in this video we'll talk about the current BTC price and also we'll talk about the latest cryptocurrency, the hot trending cryptocurrency, that is Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu, what's the current update, what's the buying zone from here, and what's the next movement or biggest pump is going to come. So each and every part we'll discuss. So before starting this video, if you are new, just subscribe our channel and join our Telegram channel, descriptions link given below. At the same time, don't forget to like this video. Let's move to our first context. So that is a scam video. So if you go to that YouTube channel and if you search this video, so you will be seeing always that live streaming is happening, and this is happening last 4 to 5 days. And this video is actually very old video, right? So this is a Jack Dorsey and there is a, we can see Elon Musk. So this video happened in the end of 2021 July month, right? So this is a B World video live stream happened. So if you remember guys, so this YouTube channel is streaming that video, and again they just do that customizations and they added their logos in that video, and they are constantly showing this live streaming is happening related to Shiba Inu. I don't know why lots of thousands of people are watching this video, and even they given that link. You can see shiba-ino.com. It's not a Inu, it's a No, because they don't get it the domain, and itself there is a QR code, and they have written if you send to them, let's say 2 crore Shiba Inu, and they will give it to you double Shiba Inu, like a 4 crore Shiba Inu. Now the interesting fact, guys, think about that. If you send somebody $1 and next day that guy is saying I'll send you $2, is it possible? No, this is not a possible. This is completely a scam. And that video, that B World video, they have steal that video and they punch it and they customize it and they are doing that live streaming. This is completely scam. So whatever they have written here, so this is completely a scam. So it's the humble request, whenever somebody asks you forgive me or send me some cryptocurrency to deposit and I'll give you the double or some percentage next day, so don't fall on this trap. So normally most of the genuine YouTuber, they will not ask that kind of a scammer kind of game. Okay, and you can see whatever informations all are fake. So if you are a cryptocurrency fan, just try to report that video, whatever that video is showing right now on that streaming channel, then it might be helpful for the others new investor. They should not fall in this trap. Okay, so let's come back about the BTC current price. So now BTC is close to consolidated. It's a 54,800 to it's a 55,300 range, you can see. And few hours back the BTC just made a close to $56,000, right? So now BTC is consolidating here. So lots of positive news is coming, like a BTC ETF going to be launched in few of the countries. So this kind of news is actually making this BTC movement very bullish. So if BTC can hold that $54,000 that range, so definitely we can expect upcoming next week BTC can hit $60,000, even more than that. And now if BTC is going to hit that one, so at the same time others altcoin will be pumped so hard. And now let's talk about the Shiba Inu. Yes, so Shiba Inu, it's a hot trending such cryptocurrency right now in that crypto market. So we have seen this week already Shiba Inu has been given more than 350% pump. So whatever pump we got, the highest price is a point 4 times 0, then 35 dollars something. It's still Shiba Inu not break the previous all-time high point. So right now what happens? So right now the market is little bit down. So you can see these positions last 2 to 3 days. So Shiba Inu consolidated here. So almost 40 to 50% down. So it's a fair enough and it's a expected one. One coins move more than 350% in a week, and definitely it can be down 50%. So there is a nothing to be fair. So in this range Shiba Inu actually consolidated, you can see. So it's a very healthy growth and it is very healthy for the long term investor. And now you can see Shiba Inu actually picked that moment, and again Shiba Inu actually trying to build a resistance area which is 0.4 times 0 then $25. Yes, so right now Shiba Inu the support level, so we can say, so Shiba Inu is building that support level. It's a near to 0.4 times 0 then $25. So this is a good sign. And now if you see the current price, yes, so Shiba Inu has been down, but it has been bounced back from that 0.4 times 0 to $5. So this is a new support area for the Shiba Inu. Earlier it was a 0.4 times 0 then to $2, right? So now Shiba Inu has created new support zone, and we are expecting from here Shiba Inu can grow more fast. And now what's the biggest news coming about the Shiba Inu? Point number 1, that Shiba Inu 2, nothing but a Shiba Inu new ecosystem, Shibarium, is going to be come very soon, and next week so they are going to be launch their Shibasys NFT. At the same time, token ban news and others positive news is coming related to Shiba Inu. So definitely whatever current now the market situation is a very bullish in terms of BTC and others altcoin. So it's just a consolidated area. So my suggestions is, if you are a long-term investor, so you can actually try to find out some buying range of the Shiba Inu between this point or might be this point. But yes, don't invest the whole money at a time. Let's say certain percentage money you are putting in this range, then wait for some times to consolidate that market, then again invest. But who are actually looking for long term and they are expecting, okay, so why not 1000% movement in a week? So it's not possible. So you have to keep a patience. So definitely whatever the news is coming related to Shiba Inu and lots of ongoing development is going on, so definitely it can give a return in long term. At the same time, I am not a financial advisor, but yes, so I am closely monitoring this cryptocurrency market last 2 years because I am a crypto lover. So if you want to invest, so take your decisions accordingly. At the same time, do certain market research based on that. We have created lots of tutorials to understanding the cryptocurrency. So you can check our playlist and you can explore this video in order to get some knowledge. And last but not in the least, don't forget to subscribe our channel, follow the Telegram channel, and at the same time like this video and share with your friends who is a crypto lover, at the same time Shiba Inu lover. So that's all in this video. So have a nice weekend. We'll see you in next video. Bye bye.